everyone! Welcome to our video for today. This is Lynn and I give practical tips for those mommies and OFWs and people out there who wants to start their business. And I also share some tips for those business owners who wants to boost their sales. Ready ka na ba? Ang topic natin ngayon is all about ad creatives, best practices for your social media accounts. Kung ready ka na, tapusin mo ang video na to hanggang sa uli. Number 1. Look at the top brands and competitors for your inspirations. For your inspirations lang huwag mo silang gagayahin. Number 2. Always use high images, high resolution images, and of course, videos. Number 3. Avoid using stock photos. Users prefer mga authentic images and videos, even ginagamit lang nila yung kanilang cellphone in video editing and of course, yung original image nila. Number 4, make your ad creatives more relevant to who you are delivering your ads or your messages. Number 5, think mobile first. Don't use too small text for your images and video that users won't be able to read it on their phone. Meron ka bang natutunan sa video na ito? Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, like, share, and comments lang para mas ganahan pa akong gumawa ng video na katulad nito. Happy sharing!